Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in February 2025. Just like last month, this is the early part of the year, and it's the time that Harbor Freight really introduces a lot of new items, and those are really starting to hit stores. So we'll talk about some of those. We'll also talk about some of the new coupons that just dropped. There's a lot of good ones out there for everybody, as well as some ones for ITC members only. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, and I'll break it all down for you. And as always, if you find the video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So Harbor Freight is really catering to all the woodworkers out there. Here is the Bauer Cyclone Dust Separator. Now they've had the one for the 5-gallon buckets, the really small one, but this is for an entire dust collecting system, which they've also rebranded from the old Central Machinery version. They now have a Bauer version of that. But this Cyclone Dust Separator hooks right into that dust collecting system and will help separate the large particles, the big chunks of wood, anything like that that gets sucked up. It will contain them in this bucket and keep them out of your filter and out of your main dust collector. So it should allow the system to run a lot more efficiently, lead to less clogs, and make having to change out the bags less often. But check this out, this is priced at $330. Another woodworking item here is the Bauer 1 horsepower 14-inch bandsaw. This is a new product as well. It's listed at $500. But I love seeing Harbor Freight catering to the woodworker out there. So if you're R1 and you need some shop upgrades, definitely check out these new products hitting stores under the Bauer brand. So the first coupon deal right here is the Quinn Electronics Repair Kit. This is a dupe off the popular iFixit kit that's been around for a while. It's pretty much the exact same thing, but just a much better price. This is an 87-piece set. It's on sale for $30. So if you like repairing electronics like phones or computers, this is going to give you all those weirdly small little bits, and also all the tools like suction cups and spade knives and all that stuff that's designed perfectly to repair that stuff. It also comes in a nice carry case as well. The Badlands Off-Road Jack, this is the 3-ton jack, is also back on sale. It's listed at $280. That is $40 off the normal price. This thing is awesome. So if you're into off-roading, you can throw this into the back of the truck and have a jack that will be able to work on any rough terrain out there. Here is the 1.25 gallon home and garden pump sprayer. It is on sale for $10. This is a very basic pump sprayer. Don't expect much out of this. But if you're like me, I like to have a separate pump sprayer for all the different chemicals that I might use. So that might mean having like 5 pump sprayers. And getting these cheap ones is a great way to do that. We've talked a lot about the Pittsburgh Tire Repair Kit on this channel. It's a great price, something to keep in your truck for an emergency. But some people have commented that that kit can break on you and just really not perform super well. It's better than nothing. But if you really want to step things up, Harbor Freight now has this Maddox Tire Repair Kit. It's much better quality, and it's on sale for just $15, so not really that much more, maybe $10 more than the other kit. This comes in a nice carry case to keep everything together, and the tools on this are just much better quality. One of my favorite items that Harbor Freight sells are these magnetic hooks. I have a bunch of them. You will be shocked at how much weight they can hold. It says it's rated at 25 pounds, and I actually fully believe that it can handle that. I've hung like hedge trimmers off this thing, cord reels that are really not light, and it has no problem holding it. But you can get these in any color to match any of your cabinets. And these are just $5. These drill-powered drain augers, everybody should have one of these in their house. They make 2 versions of these at Harbor Freight. This is the 15-foot, little cheaper version. This is on sale for $10 for ITC members only. They also make this 25-foot version with the pistol grip. I kind of recommend this one. This is the one that I really like. That one is not on sale currently. But if you really want to step up your game and almost be professional plumber level, get this Bauer 50-foot manual feed drain cleaning drum machine. This is on sale for $270 for everybody. But all these things can come in super handy if you ever get a clog and save you a very expensive plumber call, and are really not that hard to use. Next up, we have this Braun 18,000 lumen LED detachable work light. This is on sale for $100. This thing is super bright. You can use it on the stand like this, or it collapses down to more of a handheld unit. I like the handle that's attached to it. Just makes it easy to move around. These do get pretty hot. So check this out. If you are often working somewhere, you need some light in your space. I picked up the Pittsburgh version of these self-adjusting wire strippers, and I've loved them. They are amazing. You will never go back to the traditional wire strippers once you've used these. But if you want an even more premium version of that one, here is the Quinn version of it, and it is on sale right now for $17. They also have this Pittsburgh 12-inch file set. It's a 5-piece set for $5. And if you recently bought that new Predator power station and you want a solar panel to attach to it, check out this one. This is a 25-watt solar panel, so not the most wattage out there, but this one's 10% off right now at $45. These stacking tilt bins are really nice for organizing screws and nails and any other small parts out there. They all stack together. You can hang them on a pegboard or wall as well, and they're just $2 right now. From the Icon line, they have their 3/8" drive Torx bit socket set. It's a 7-piece set for $15. Here's also the Bauer corded variable speed belt sander. That's on sale for 27% off at $40. Here's a really nice extension set. This has the quick release on the end, so you can really swap sockets really easily. It also locks those sockets in, so if you're going to be using it in tight spaces, it really reduces the chance of you dropping the socket or it coming unattached. But check out this, it's a 4-piece set for $15. This super long 12-outlet metal power strip is great for charging, using for battery chargers in your garage. That's what I use it for. I have sort of like an island, and below that is sort of my charging area for all my battery-powered tools. These are spaced out evenly, so everything won't be jumbled all together. But check it out, it's $15. They also have a good price on this 15-foot extension cord. It's a 16-gauge version. It's rated for indoor and outdoor use for $7. And you also have the Bauer Carbide router bit set, a 15-piece set, really nice set here. 21% off at $30. But yeah, it's really looking like this Bauer brand is really catering to the woodworkers out there. They have a lot of good tools like that sander, this bit set. I love what I'm seeing out of the Bauer brand. A couple of laser levels are on sale. It's really hard to determine what the differences are on these. This one says it's a 40-foot self-leveling cross-line laser level. It's $55 for everybody. But then Inside Track Club members can get this 30-foot version, but it looks pretty similar, like the same kind of thing. Gives you that cross-line self-leveling. And this is on sale for $45 for ITC members. So it is kind of interesting. Let me know in the comments below what you think the differences between these two really are. I don't know if they'll eventually phase out one of these models, but these are super handy for hanging stuff, putting up a backsplash, anything like that. These are super nice for that. They also have this Avanti airless paint primer and stain sprayer. This is the one that's on the cart. Also, the main unit is on that cart, so you get a nice lightweight handle. But this is $50 off right now at $200. Bauer sanding discs. These are the hook and loop version, so they stick right on via Velcro right onto the bottom of your sander. This is a 50-pack for $15. It's a great price. And then now to some ITC only deals. That's that Inside Track Club. Here is the 4-drawer tech cart. It is on sale for $150. It's a great price. You also have the hardwood dolly. That's on sale for $22.50. I actually recently used one of these to put my Tough Built Tough Stack modular toolbox system on so I can roll it around my garage. And it's worked awesome for that. Their version was like $100. I was able to do it with some 3D printed parts and this dolly for around $25. So a ton of uses out of these. Check them out. Here's another newer item. This is the US General Mobile Service Tray. Has some attachments on it for air tools and screwdrivers. Just a good way if you're working around a shop, keep everything nice and organized. A big flat surface on the top. This is on sale for $80. This Icon inspection light has been super popular. This is a 1,000 lumen dual-sided rechargeable slim bar light with a UV inspection on it as well. This is on sale for $50 for ITC members. You have the Voyager 18 pocket tool belt that's on sale for $18. Here's the Bauer version of the modular toolbox system. You could also use that on that hardwood dolly. But here is their small parts organizer that's on sale for $27. I love the US General magnetic accessories. Here's the screwdriver holder and tray on sale for $10. Here's another UV inspection light. This is a smaller one, bronze version. You could use this for leak detecting, anything like that, just $5 right now. The very popular 10mm essential socket set is going to replace any of those 10mm sockets that you've misplaced, but this is on sale for $12. The Hercules corded compact trim router is a really nice router. Fits so nicely in your hand, and this is $65. And then one last deal here is that slim profile no stud TV wall mount. I still haven't had a chance to actually try this, but this allows you to hang a TV up to 90 inches. That's insane. Without hitting any studs, you just use them with nails at an angle. But if you've used this, let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious how it's held up. But this is on sale for $13. It's almost half off the normal price. But that's it. Those are all the deals this month. As always, please like the video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.